Hey everyone, Bob here. Today I would like to give you a lesson about how we're gonna create an employee master list, which will comprise of two worksheets, which I have named input, one worksheet, and data for the second sheet. The input would be, we're gonna be using this as our input or entry form for an employee input form. Which would include, say, for example, first name, last name of the employee, staff number, address, email, etc. So we're gonna start off designing our input form and then later on designing our data sheet in the next worksheet. Okay. The first thing first, I'm gonna design the input form by putting in our title, which is name employee master list. Employee master list. Okay, we're gonna make this one bigger. Let's say number 18. This is number 18. Then our data label, and then our input fields. Okay, we're gonna start with typing the first name of the employee. Okay, the second one would be the last name, and the third one is staff number. Well, you could say employee number, all the same. And then the fourth one in our fields is the address of the employee. The next one would be the email of employee. And next is nationality. Nationality of employee and gender of employee. Then department, and last one would be the position of the employee. Okay, position of employee. All right, we'll adjust the column. Okay, and then this label would also be the same in the next worksheet, which is the data sheet. Okay, all you have to do is just copy this so we don't have to type again, and then go to the data. Okay, we're gonna put it here, right here, and then we're gonna transpose it, paste transpose this one. Okay, so we already have it. Okay, right here. So it saves us time by not typing it again. Just copy and transpose, paste. Okay, and we're gonna be typing here the title, which is employee master list. All right, this one also we're gonna make it bigger, like 18 also, make it bold. And this one just say 12 and bold. Okay, right. So we have already our header or the title of our records. Okay, so let's go back to the input form right here. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna insert space between this label. Just insert here, then right click insert. Here, right click insert. Same as this one, right click insert. Then right here, click insert. Right click insert. Right click the row, insert. Then the last one is under the department, insert. Okay. So the next thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna adjust the height of the row. Just click the control key and then click here, click the row right here. Right. Then we're gonna adjust the row height. Let's find the row height. Okay. It's not here, so we're gonna go to the format, then row height here. Okay. Click this one. Then I say row height would be 10. Okay, that's okay. Then we're gonna put first we're gonna put a what you call mm, fill. The fill is I'm gonna use this one, the green one. And then okay, next to the label would be your field or entry box. Okay, I'm gonna put here white color on this. This one white color also. White, white, white. Okay, I'm just making a simple input form, right? Then uh, I'm gonna select all by clicking the control key on your keyboard and click all, right? Okay, so then I'm gonna click the borders, all border, outside borders. Where is it? This one, outside borders. All right, one more yellow color, white color here. So this would be our input box, which is the range is C3, C5. So remember this because we're going to be using the range in our, in our creation of the VBA codes in the VBA Editor. This is C7, C9, C11, nationality 13, 15, gender, department, okay, and position, okay, C19. So from C3 to C19, okay? Okay, what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna make just a simple one, a simple input form. Actually, you can also create an info form or what they call user form in the VBA, but I'm not gonna use that. I'm just gonna do it here. Just click it. Click 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, and 19. Okay, then we go back to the uh, um, format under the home tab. Then click row height. So what would be our row height? I would say 20. I think 20 is okay. One more. Uh, just click here. And then row height, maybe 25. 25, or that's too big. Or 22. Okay, I think that's okay. All right. In the data, that's okay. I'm just gonna, okay, put a color on this one. Right click, go to format cells, and then fill effects. I'm gonna use I'm gonna use this one, color, and the color one would be this one. Let's see what happens. Okay, click. Okay, think it's okay. Okay, let's see what happens if we change the this one white color. Then we'll put it in the middle alignment here. Okay, this one also we're gonna put the same color, format cells, and then go to the FailFX. Okay, the green one, I like the green one here. This one. And then this one, click OK. Then click OK. All right, so we have this already. And then what we're gonna do is put it on the middle alignment. All right. Okay, just a simple one. This is simple database. All right. Then we'll now design our click button. So where are we going? We're going to the developer tab and then click insert and then click the command button. This one. Click it and then I'm gonna put my click button here. Okay, that's my click button. I'm going to edit the label. Okay, edit the label of this button. Edit. I'm gonna say this one is for I'm gonna say add record. And add record. Okay. Then we'll make another one. Just right click. Okay. Then okay, copy, paste. It should be here next to it, below it. Then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna edit. Then what? I'm gonna save the record. Okay. Save record. Okay. One more. Right. One more. This is, I'd like to use this to shift, or rather shift sheets. Okay. So I'm gonna name this what? I'm gonna name this. Um, Let me think. Go to data. Or next sheet, right? Okay. So we already have it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna this one. I'm gonna double click this. Okay. Double clicking the button, you will go to the VBA Editor. Okay, this is the VBA Editor. So it's already here. Sheet 1 input, sheet 2 data. So what I'm gonna write here, this is for adding data. So for adding data, I'm gonna, I'm gonna write the, so it's a automatic, it's private sub, command button, one click. So no need to change that. You can use that actually. I'm going to declare the what you call variables. Starts with dim, then I would say employee as string because we're only be using text, so that would be string. If we're gonna be doing codes related to numbers, then we're gonna be using integer. For short numbers, integer. For long numbers, you're gonna be using long. There are so many other, but right now I'm gonna be using string. Okay, then I'm gonna do the coding. I'm gonna start with next. Then no, we're gonna say worksheet first. WS underline output. Okay, then output is equal to data. All right, that would be our database where we're going to store all our records, our employee records. Then we're gonna be doing the coding next. Underline row. Okay, row by row. We're gonna be, and then column by column. We're gonna be creating 9 columns. Okay, 9 columns for the employee records. Okay, so we're gonna start with next, and then underline row, then sheets. We're gonna use sheets, then WS worksheet, underline output, and then what else? Close parenthesis, dot, then range. This time I'm not gonna assign names for our range. Instead, I'm gonna use the actual range. Okay, the cell positions, right? Open parenthesis, double quotes, then A column, then double quotes, then ampersand, then rows, then dot count. We're counting the rows and the columns, then close parenthesis, dot, and at the end, we're gonna offset so that it will go to the next row, right? So we're gonna be using Excel up, and then dot one. Okay, one offset. We're gonna be using one offset only, going down. Rows offset, one row offset. If we're gonna be using an offset on the, sideways, horizontally, going to the right, then we can add here. We can add one, or how many cells we're going to offset. But this time, I'm not gonna do that. And then I'm gonna close that. Okay, Excel up. Rows that count. Right? Uh, then offset. Uh, hang on. Excel up. Wait, hang on. I'm gonna write offset first. Then one. Set by one. Then that row. Okay, next underline row equals sheet. Inside the parenthesis WS underline output that range A ampersand rows that count, and then in Excel up. I think we are very okay on that. We're okay. So next one is, now we're gonna be coding our columns, right? The columns and the rows and the columns. So again, will be okay. We'll start with the sheets, WS, worksheets, underline output. All right. What else? Output dot cells. Okay. Then next would be underline row and comma one. Then this is the first column, or rather this is the first row. Then that value. That value equals to range. So as I said, I'm not gonna use a name for this. I'm not gonna assign a name. I'm just gonna say Remember, I said C3. Remember the cells location, C3, C7, all add numbers up to 19, right? So we'll start with C3. Then don't forget the double quote, then close it, then that value. All right? What happened? Sheets, output, sales. Something is wrong here. Okay. I think we missed the this one, the close parenthesis. Okay, copy. Okay, what we're gonna do is we're just gonna copy this, make it faster. Copy, then paste. Then we're gonna change this to, this is for the column 2. Then the range would be C5. As I said, uh, all odd numbers, right? C3, C5, C7 up to C19. Remember that? The location or the range. Okay, copy again. Okay. I already counted it and it counts to 9 rows, right? 9 rows. So this would be 7. Then copy, rather paste, then this would be 4. And this would be 9. Then paste, this would be number 5, column, and then this would be the cell location is C11. All add numbers because we put blank row in between the fields, right? Then paste again, then almost there, 6. Then this would be C13. Okay, copy, paste. Then this would be 7, and this would be, I'm not sure if you're seeing this. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm not sure if you're gonna see this. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to go to the tools, options, click options. Then I'm gonna go to the editor format. Okay, right now it's 12. So I'm gonna make it, I think 16 is okay. 16. Okay, so you'll be seeing it more clearer. Okay, so paste again. Then this would be it. Just 2 more. Okay, then this one, which one is next? 17. The next one would be C19, right? Because we already saw it. This would be 9, as I said, 9 columns, and this would be 19. All right. Okay, and then so just delete. Okay, what I've done everything complete, and I'm going back to the Excel sheet. Okay, this would be our add record. And then what we're gonna do is we're going to do the save record, just double click. Okay, then we go back there. So we don't need this window below, so I'm gonna make it bigger. So for the new record, remember we have we're going to have a blank fields whenever we add new records. So we're gonna start with range. This is another macro. Okay, the first macro that we have is for the adding of record. This one, command button on button 1, then the command button 2. Okay, so we're gonna be range is, then the first range on the bottom is, remember, C19. That was C19. So don't forget the double quote, then C19, then double quote, then close it. Dot select. Okay, and then enter. Okay, for our selection on C19, we're gonna type selection here. Selection, then we're going to clear contents because we're adding new record, right? So clear contents, right? Clear contents. Then enter. So to make it faster, we're just going to highlight this all, select all, then copy. Right click copy, then paste. Okay. So the next one, we're starting from bottom C19 and we're going up to C3, right? So the next one would be C17. Enter, then paste. Then the next one would be 15 and enter, then paste. The next one would be 13. 13. Okay. Next one, paste. Then this would be 11. Okay. Enter, paste. And this one is 9. 9. Enter, paste. And this one would be 7. All add numbers. And paste. This would be 5. Okay, C5. Okay. Then paste again. Then last but not the least, C3. Right? Okay. Okay, we got it. We go back to Excel. Let's see if, okay, remember, we have the first, which is C3, C5, C7, again, C9, C11, 13, all add numbers, the location or the cell location or the range, C17, C19, okay? So we already have this. The next one would be to go to data, just double click, okay? We're on the same window. We already developed how many? Two macros, okay? All right. Third one would be our uh, go to data, right? This is just one liner. Sheets, simple, just sheets, and data, right? Just open parentheses. Don't forget the double quote, double quotes, then data, double quotes, then close, then that select, simple as that. Okay. All right. Okay. All right. This is command button number 3 that we're using. Go back there. Okay, what we're gonna do is we're gonna add I'm gonna copy this and we'll go to the data sheet. Then we're gonna add the button. Or actually we can also insert here. No need to copy. This is command button and we're gonna put it right here. What is this for? This is for us to be able to go back to the input sheet. Okay, right click, then click edit. Sorry, I'm not saving yet. Okay, I'm not saving because we want to make it faster. So go to or go back. Maybe it's a good name. Go back to input sheet, right? our data entry input form. Right? Double click. Okay, because this is in another sheet, so it started another one. Let's see here. Okay, on the data sheets. Okay, so okay, I'm going to collapse this one. All right. So what would be this one? Going back to input. This is also simple, just one liner. Sheets, uh, open parenthesis, double quotes, input, double quote, then close, then select. All right. Enter. Okay, go back. Okay. So we're going to, we are in the design mode. Just click this design mode here. Okay. So we can click this one. Okay. Go back to input. Okay. Go to data. Okay. Go back to input. All right. So we got it. Now, what we're going to do now is we're going to add record. Okay. Record. First name. So, okay. What we're going to do is I have some sample data here that I have prepared. Okay. So that it will be faster if we have prepared the data sample that we're going to put in here. So the first name would be, let's say, Mike. Then the last name is Smith. Then this guy's staff number is 100. We'll start with 100. Then the address is, let's say, London. London. Then email is, let's say, just Mike. Mike at gmail.com. Okay. The nationality is, let's say, this is from London, so therefore this guy is British, guys. Okay, British. So British. Gender is male. Of course, Mike is male. Sorry, that's not male. This is male. Right? Then department, I would say his department is uh, warehouse. Warehouse. Then what is he in the warehouse? He's a warehouse supervisor. Warehouse supervisor. All right. So remember in the data, nothing here. Nothing, right? Nothing. Oh. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna hide this one. Okay. The sheet name. I'll just use this button click. Command button. Okay. Go to data. Go back to input. All right. What we're gonna do is when you go to the data, nothing in here yet. Okay. No data yet. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to save the record. Save the record. Just click this one. Let's check this out. Okay. Nothing. Why it's nothing? Okay. We're going to debug. Save the record. We're going to design mode. Sorry. Double click. Okay. This is the command button. Range 19. Clear contents 19. Go back. All right. Okay, this should be what you call add record. Sorry, I made mistake. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna edit this one. This should be add record. Okay, this one should be edit. Should be uh, save record. Okay. Okay. We'll interchange this. Interchange them. That's no problem. All right. So if we're going to add record, sorry, I'm going to turn off the design mode right here, design mode. Just click it. Okay. So that you can use this one now, this button. So if we're going to add record, okay, automatic it will go to the first box, which is the C3 is on C3, first name. Okay, remember we had Mike first, then we're going to have a female this time, Amelia. Then the name would be, actually we can align this, go to the home, then put it on the middle. All right. All right. Last name would be Johnson. We'll just put maybe around seven records so that we'll see how it looks in the data sheet. So stop number, we started with 100 and this one is 101. Address for Amelia Johnson is in New York. New York. New York. Email, we'll start with Amelia, then gmail.com. And then nationality, I think New York. So she's American. So let's say American. All right. The gender, of course, is female. And the department, where is what is his department? What is her department? Department is finance. Say finance. And she is a finance manager. Finance. Okay, actually, what we're gonna do is for the female, um, for the nationality, I think we can make a data, a data validation on this. Go to the data validation, this one, data validation, and then click list. We can make a list. Okay, so, okay, this is for the what? This is for the nationality. We can write uh, British, okay, comma, American. So it will be faster. We don't have to type every time. We don't have to type on the keyboard every time. And then nationality, Irish. Let's say we're gonna use Spanish. This is just a data sample for our understanding. And then we're gonna say German. We're gonna use German. And then Indian. Then we're gonna use Saudi. I'm gonna use Saudi. Then click OK. Okay. So here, British, American, Irish, Spanish, German, Indian, Saudi. So that lady is an American. She's from New York. This one also, we can make a list out of this column field. Okay. Same thing that you're gonna do. Go to the data validation, then list, then just write male or female. All right. So it will be faster. Our encoding is faster. Okay. There's male, there's female. And then for the department, we can also do a list for this one. Data validation. Then click down, drop down button. Then click list. Then create the source for the first one that we use was warehouse, right? Then we use finance. Then what else? I'm gonna use HR manager or HR. Let's say human resource. human resource. Then comma again, manufacturing. Then after manufacturing, we can say health and safety department. Health, ampersand, safety department. Then what else? Maybe I would say maintenance department. Maintenance department. And that would be okay now. Okay. So in our drop-down list, we got warehouse, finance, human resource, manufacturing, health and safety, and maintenance. Okay. This one also it will be faster if we create a drop-down list. Just go to the data validation again, click drop down, then click list. Then for the source, we say warehouse supervisor, okay, comma, finance manager. And then what else? I would say HR manager from human resource. And then comma, health and safety inspector. Then what else? Personnel manager. This is also from human resource, reporting to the human resource manager. And then for maintenance, we say engineering. Okay. You can write as many as you want. You're making a long list for the purpose of, for your convenience and quick encoding activity. Okay. So, okay, we have complete. Then what we do is we're going to add record. Okay, add record. Okay. Okay. Let's go to the data. Which one was the last one? Oh, we have not done yet. Okay. Okay. We have not done yet. So we start all over again, huh? Start all over again. So nothing inside, nothing here yet. So what we're going to do is we're going to say Mike Smith, then 100, address is London, and email is Mike at gmail.com. Then nationality is what? Nationality is British. He's British. Okay. I forgot. We already have a drop-down list. So we'll say British. Faster. Gender already have that one also. Male. Department. Warehouse. And he's a warehouse manager. A warehouse supervisor. Okay, now we can save the record. Save the record. Let's say go to the data. Okay, it's already here. Let's just make this column bigger. Right. Can make adjustment. All right. Okay. Mike Smith 100, staff number, London. Mike at gmail.com, British, mail, warehouse, department, and warehouse supervisor's position. Okay, go back to input. All right, then add record. This time, okay, we'll go. We say Amelia. This is a female person. Then last name is Johnson. Then stop number is 101. Address is New York. Then email is amelia@gmail.com. Okay. The nationality, she's American. So we already have the drop-down list. You just click American. For gender, she's female. And then department is, I would say finance. Then she's finance manager. Here. Okay. Save record. Okay. Go to data. It's here. All right. So we'll make it faster. Okay. Add new record. This next one is Emma Williams. Stop number 102. Address, say Dublin. Dublin. Email is Emma@gmail. Nationality, she's from Dublin, therefore she's Irish. Irish. Or still part of UK, United Kingdom. Then female. Then department is HR, human resource. And then position, HR manager. Okay. Save record. Add record again. Okay. So next one is Olivia. Olivia Garcia. This is Latin or Spanish. Wow. Number is, I think 103. 103. Address, Madrid. This is a multinational company. Right? So the email is olivia@gmail.com. And then nationality is Spanish. Okay. I type it. You type it or you click it, doesn't matter. It's the same. Then female. Then department of Olivia. Since she's from what? HR. HR. Olivia. 1, 2, 3, 4. I would say manufacturing, then analyst. Analyst is not here. Okay, what I'm gonna do is okay, department. Okay, I'm gonna add analyst. Right? Analyst, manufacturing. All right? Oh, no, no, no. Not already. So this would be analyst. This is engineering manager. Then analyst. Okay. All right. Click OK. What happened? All right. So let's say uh, I think okay, we're going to see the position. Okay, the position would be warehouse manager. Next, finance manager. Then next is what? HR manager. HR manager, analyst. Okay, analyst, comma, inspector, personnel manager, and engineering manager. Then click OK. And what we're going to do is we're going to check the analyst right here. Okay. Then save record, add record. The next one is Hans Smith. Then stop number of Smith is 104. Okay, address Berlin. It's obvious, right? Then email is hans at gmail.com. Then nationality is German. German here. Okay. Gender is male. Then department of is health and safety. What is his job in health and safety? Inspector. Okay. Save record. Add record. Kumar. I'm just putting in 7 records so that we'll see, we'll be able, so that we will appreciate how it looks like. So we'll see. Kumar Anand, stop number 105, address, say Delhi, email is Kumar. Okay. .com. Okay, nationality, of course, Indian. Gender, male. Department, let's say human resource. And he is a personnel manager. Okay, save record, add record again. This would be the last one of my sample. So let's say, Mohammed Ahmad, and stop number 105 or 106. Address, let's say Jeddah. Email, Mohammed at gmail.com. Okay. Nationality, of course, Saudi. and then gender, male, department, engineering. We forgot the engineering, rather maintenance. Okay, and engineering manager. Okay, so save record, go to data. Okay, these are the records that we have compiled. Okay, okay, so it's easy, simple as this. Very easy to. This is a simple data entry and report. Okay, if you don't want to, to the ribbon to appear, we can also make another one. Okay, just go to the developer and then insert command. Then what we do is we're going to uh, edit, and then we'll say hide menu. Then double click. We just say hide menu is this is uh, this is application. This application that execute Excel. Excel for macro, right? Then okay, what we're gonna do is we're gonna say show that toolbar. Show that toolbar. Open parenthesis. Ribbon. Double quote. Parenthesis. No, not yet. What am I going? Sorry. Double quotation mark. This should be double quotation mark. Okay, comma. Then we say it's true, or we say false, because this is hide. Okay, hide. So it should be false. Okay, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna click the shift, home, then copy. Right click, copy. Okay. All right. What happened? Application, get Excel 4 macro, show, toolbar, that toolbar, uh, parenthesis, ribbon. Oh, sorry, this is 3 parenthesis. Okay. I think this is okay now. Okay. Okay, we can make another one. Uh, Insert. Okay, then edit. Actually, you can go to the properties and go to the caption, this one. But it's easier if you could just go to the edit. Then show menu. Okay, just close it. Yeah, then double click. Okay, just copy this one. copy, then paste. Okay. Then same result. We just have to change this to make it different result. True. Okay, and go back. Okay, so if we're gonna hide this, you just click hide. Okay, I'm gonna click the design mode. Okay, hide and show menu, right? Add record. Okay, this is it for today's lesson about creating an employee master list using two um, worksheets. One for the input entry of data, and the second one is for the database on the second sheet. So I hope you like it. If you do, please subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you'll be notified of the next video uploads of mine. Okay, thank you for watching.